That was a beautiful waterfall, absolutely beautiful. God, the weather, it couldn't be any better, and I was so worried about it.
Oh, I was too, because I looked 2 months ago and I saw where it was going to have thunderstorms. What happens usually in the summer, you get it later in the afternoon. And so in the morning it was kind of drizzling when I was here, and then it cleared up, and oh my God, we even have bluer sky than this. And then it kind of started to cloud up again about 4:30. And about threatening to actually start to rain. It's all about the heat of the day, you know, the hot air will hold more water.
So what's the summit, the divide?
Oh gosh, it's got to be a little under 10,000. I don't know, because you know, Leadville, we come down from Leadville, and Leadville's right at 10,130 or so. 10,300. And it's got to be closer to 9,500, I think. 95, 96.
Don't they have?
Oh, there was, you know, back in the olden days, especially, yeah, it changes the dynamics of the physics of good.
One, so that, you know,
probably why mine's having a hard time starting because I was having to show. Yeah,
boy, this.
I can probably control it close here. If I'm going fast enough, I can turn it back on, you know, and head off. So I've got it off now, and it's fired back up. So, but once it goes so slow, once I get below that,
real easy, like a dead man's valve.
That's a cycle track.
Do the same thing, but just a little different. All this.
This is another oiler, and looks like they're clearing a little bit of brush. Oh, we had some trees growing up in the middle. And that's what we got to do back home. We got to clip these trees to get going.
So this switch, or is that a manual one?
You know, it probably.
There's power to it, so it must have some kind of a hydraulic.
They did do it remotely. You see that net up there?
They're trying to trap something?
No, I'm not sure if it's that or if it's supposed to catch rocks. I think there's a rock.
Oh, just a
There's
rock.
a rock filled there, and rocks that would come in. It's kind of a rock crash.
I don't see anything.
It's like my wheel was up just a little bit.
Yeah,
over.
and drop down.
Yeah. I do have full 1-inch flanges on mine. Maybe it's more.
I'm at my heaviest weight I've ever been.
Is that right?
I was skinny all my life, you know, I got fat after 50, but...
So are you conscious of what's causing it?
What?
You know how to walk the walk. What's going to be the thing to sustain it, you know? What makes it? What happens to you? Is it just you really enjoy eating?
I can say that yes now, but I don't know how I felt when I first, get rid of everything, and it's a little bit of an incentive. But yeah, probably at that point, maybe it is just laziness. Or I gained.
Simple thing that's it's not necessarily rewarding monetarily, but it's just a habit that you learn as young. It's a good habit to have. And my dad was an incredible athlete, and he died here a couple years ago at the age of 89. He was skiing that year with me. We were out skiing, and he was a bitch. But we always had that theory: if you don't use it, you're going to lose it. And so you've got to keep that mobility up. If you have arthritis, that's all the more reason you should be out there increasing your range.
I got arthritis and bursitis.
And you should be working those, actually stretching.
She's been trying to get me to do it. She does it.
Yeah. It's really a low impact thing, but it gets amazing. Well, you just do what you can do, Alan, and then it gets better and it gets stronger. And you see the improvement, and that's self-rewarding. You just got to set goals that are attainable.
I've lost weight 3 times, and it feels wonderful. You look better. I was 210, and I felt like twinkle toes, and it's just...
Well, it's so much easier on your joints, your knees and ankles and hips. Honestly, I mean, you're more athletic, and I get it. Twinkle toes is a great solution. You feel like you're in control of your body.
Bacon sandwich,
Hey, it's okay to have that stuff. It's just moderation in everything, and
the road again.